Now, 27 storm track weather with meteorologist Max Saparis.
Hey everyone, freeze warnings in effect for the entire WKOW area and most of the Badger State, with other freeze warnings for parts of the upper Midwest and Central Plains. Meanwhile, blizzard warnings in the northern plains as they get near a foot of snow, if not more. But for us, again, we dodge a bullet with the snowfall. However, frost looks likely by tomorrow morning because of that freeze warning with temps in the low 30s. Most widespread frost is expected in rural areas and low-lying spots, but I even expect these in downtown centers too. Cover any sensitive vegetation or bring it in if you wanted to survive the weekend. Highs this weekend only in the mid to upper 40s. This is going to be the coldest air mass we've seen since the end of April, more than 5 months ago. Scattered showers are expected this morning. That'll wrap up around midday as that cold front rushes through, and that'll allow temps to plummet and the breeze to stick around. So that's why wind chills will be a factor through the weekend. We stay blustery and very cold. Start off with some sunshine Saturday morning and then get the cloud cover late day. All right, let's talk about it all on a close-up and personal view here. We get rid of the rainfall, I think, as we get towards your lunch hour for the most part. But by that point, it's going to be a cold rain. Temps already in the mid-40s with wind chills in the 30s through the afternoon. Overnight lows into the low 30s with wind chills down into the 20s as we wake up tomorrow morning. And then later into the afternoon, mid to upper 40s at their best with some clouds moving back in from the northwest. Could even see a flurry or a sprinkle by Saturday evening and overnight. But as I mentioned before, not a big deal. No accumulations here in the southern half of the state. So for the rest of today, 59 this morning, temps falling through the day. We'll be in the 40s this afternoon with wind chills in the 30s. And it's going to stay blustery as well. We're going to get temps to the low 30s tonight, so that's why we have freeze warnings in effect, 32 degrees for us. First frost is expected, especially for rural spots. 48 degrees as we head through your Saturday afternoon. Mid-40s Sunday with a few more sprinkles possibly, especially up to the north with temps, again, well below average, and we'll stay below average with numbers only in the low 50s next work week. Meteorologist Guy Brown going to be updating your 7-day forecast and tracking the end to the shower activity on 27 News at 11. He'll talk to you then.